Hi fam, welcome back to my channel guys. It's your girl once again. I'm back to another video. If this is your first time seeing this video on this channel, welcome, and please don't make it your last by clicking the subscribe button below and the bell beside the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to what I want to say and seeing this space. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to make your very first YouTube video. I'll be giving you basic steps you can take to make your first YouTube video at least presentable, so at least it'll be better than mine, because mine was a little bit over the edge. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, the first ever step you should take before you even create a YouTube channel is do your research, guys. Do your research, because me as a person, before I created my YouTube channel, before I even want to create my YouTube channel, I love YouTube. Like YouTube is like my go-to app. I prefer YouTube than Instagram self. Yeah, so the first thing you should do is do your research. Watch a lot of YouTube videos, because I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I was a subscriber. I subscribed to a lot of YouTube channel because I love a lot of YouTube. I love what they were doing. I love seeing them do what they were doing genuinely. So I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I did my research. YouTube itself is a research engine. Some people don't even know. They just think it's just to come and watch videos. YouTube itself is a research engine, so do your research. Watch a lot of YouTube videos before you create your YouTube channel and get started. Okay, so that's that about the first step. Do your research so you know what you are getting into. So the next step is write it down. Like write what you want to say in your first YouTube video down. Have an idea of what you want to say. Write it down, like script it down. You don't have to put it word for word, but just put the point of what you would like to say in the video down. For example, if you want to make it an introductory video as per the first video, you can just like write it down. Like okay, you can write like maybe like 3 or 5 points down. Be like, the first one will be you tell us what's your name. Second one might be your age. The third one what you like, and just put it out there so I won't get off track. So the next step is to write it down, script it down. Like I do that too sometimes, but people do ask me that, how do you do your stuff? Do you script what you want to say down, or you just say it as it comes? I was like, okay, fine. I don't script every single thing I say down. Yeah, of course, sure. But I put the points down most times. Then I will just see how it comes. You get, but since it being your first YouTube video, you should script it down, write it down. So that's that about that step. So the next step, which I think is the third step, right? Practice talking to yourself, guys. Like literally, I'm talking to myself right now. I really have my camera and I'm the only one here. So it might seem awkward for like starters. I want to start off first, but it's not awkward, guys. Just practice talking to yourself. You can use a mirror. That's one of the best. You can use a mirror, like just stand for the mirror, talk to yourself. You can even like laugh, position yourself and talk to yourself. Practice talking to yourself so that it won't get awkward. But normally when you do your first YouTube video, the next one will be better because you'll be getting used to it. So you get me. So the next step is practice talking to yourself. Don't make it seem too hard. You can just picture it in your mind like talking to millions of people, but meanwhile you're talking to yourself. But just have it in your mind, I'm talking to people who will watch this video. So just practice talking to yourself. Like I said, you can use mirror or just record with your camera, then check it and delete, then get it right. So moving on to the next step. The next step is looking presentable. Like that's like one of the basic things you should do. Obvious, nobody wants to just look haggard and stay in front of the camera. So just look presentable. You don't have to go all out. You should go all out, but don't go off on your budget or something. Just look presentable, look clean, and face the camera and do your thing. Yeah. The next step is set up your recording device. Yes, because obviously you'll be recording. You can't do anything without a camera, without your phone. So set up your recording device. If you are using a phone, maybe you have prepared a lot, so you got what you want. You got your ring lights, got a lot of lights, got your tripod. You can go ahead and set up your recording device, your camera or your phone. Or if, like I said, you're just a new YouTuber, you don't know what to get yet, I'll make sure I do another video about what new YouTubers should get. If you're interested, just comment in the comment section. But let me not go off this video. What I'm talking about in this step is set up your recording device. Like set it up, check it. You can at least do like a testing, set it up. And even though you don't have a tripod stand, you can use your bags, your shoes, container, whatever you have. Like just set it up and make sure it's okay. You can, after setting it up, you can check it and see if it's recording. You can record few takes and see how it goes. So that's the step you have to know about that step. So the next step is record, do mistakes, record and get it right. Yes, that's basically like after you have set up your recording device, you want to you want to test it out and see how it is. So record, guys, do mistakes, because you will make mistakes. You can't be perfect, obviously. You make mistakes. Do your mistakes and get it right. You can record, like take few takes. You can take different take from different angle. You can literally just stay in your room and just record. If you don't have a tripod stand, you can just fix it something up at your the perfect thing. Even though you don't have a ring light, you can use your room window. Just look for where there's light. Like you can open your window if the day is actually nice. The sun is naturally made for YouTubers, in my whole opinion. So you can just sit down, in front of a window in your room and set up your device, then get it right, make mistakes, take few takes, make mistake, delete it, record, and get it right. So guys, the next step is learn how to edit. I think this should be one of the first steps I should have mentioned, because okay, you have recorded your video, instead of a recording device, you have recorded your video, you have made your mistakes, and you have gotten it right. So before you can put it onto YouTube, you have to know how to edit. You have to put all the clips you got from different angles together. So you have to put it together and edit it. So the best thing is learn how to edit. You can get I'll actually do a video on like maybe top 5 simple apps that new YouTubers should get or must have. Do you people want that? I think I'll do a video about that and put it. If people want that, you can actually comment in the comment section below like what you want to know. So after you edit your video, this is the final step. Like, don't overthink it, just post it, because if you overthink it, you keep procrastinating. Okay, I'll do this tomorrow, I'll do this next. Well, you don't have to do that, guys, because you have done you put in your best, you put in your work, and you have edited it. So just post it, just click that video and post it on your YouTube channel and get your YouTube journey started. That'll be the end of the video for today. I hope you gained something or learned something, and if you did, please put it down in the comment section and share this video, because the person that might need this video may actually be in your contact list or your WhatsApp. Or so share this video, share the link, comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.